Hey y'all, it's your girl Amber Marie and I am back at it with another video for you guys today. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a full face of Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I love my Fenty, so yeah, it's only right that I did a full face of Fenty. So a few videos ago on my Sephora makeup haul, I bought hella Fenty Beauty makeup products so I could do this video today. I already owned a bunch of Fenty Beauty, but I didn't own everything to do a full face, so I'm super excited to actually do a full face today. And it's not going to be like a review of like the products, like I'll make comments and stuff about them, but it's literally just going to be me doing my makeup with Fenty products. And yeah, so all right, let's get to it. First things first, I am going to go in with the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. This is the original one that she made. I think she has like a hydrating one and a mattifying one now, but I really like this primer. So I'm just gonna rub that all over my face real quick. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is my brows off camera because we're not here to see me do my brows. But if you'd like to see me do my brows, please feel free to watch my All About Eyes tutorial or my Makeup for Beginners video. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my eyebrows done, the next thing I'm going to do is my foundation. I'm going to be going in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 240. I'm going to take a beauty blender and spray it with this ColourPop Pretty Fresh setting mist and use that to apply my foundation. Okay, so now that I have my foundation on, the next thing that I'm going to go in with is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 235. I'm just gonna let that sit on my face for a little bit to help brighten up my under eyes. So now that I have my concealer applied, I'm going to set it with the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Cashew. It's a cute little package too, isn't it so cute? So I'm just going to take the same beauty blender that I've been using to apply my setting powder under my eyes. She's too dark for me. I'm weak. Let's see if I can. Okay, so to fix that, I just took a little bit of the Mercier translucent setting powder to help brighten that up a little bit. Unfortunately, I do need a lighter shade of the Fenty Beauty setting powder. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's okay. I am going to do the same thing on the other side just to make sure that they match. Even though I don't really want to, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm so weak. Okay, so it doesn't look that bad. We evened it out a little bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in the shade Macchiato. I'm just going to take a brush like this and apply it. It blends out really nice. I have that applied, I am going to go in with the Stalk'r Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Private Island. This is just the regular powdered bronzer. Before I forget, I am going to go back in the cream bronzer and do my nose contour. Alright, so now that I'm all bronzed up, I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Summertime Wine. I'm just going to take a little blush brush and apply that to my face. It's a really pretty color. Not a blush girl, but she cute. Alright, so now that I have my base done, I am going to go in with the Vivid Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Banana Blaze. Now, eyeliner is not my forte, so we are going to try our best, and y'all are not going to judge me. Okay? Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm stressed out. Eyelashes always get in the way. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, you can. Look at that. Just getting covered in eyeliner. Ugh. All right, we're gonna do the other eye. See how that goes. What the fuck is that? I'm over it. Why did I do this? This is fucking hideous. I did somewhat okay on this side, and then I told you. Let's see if we can fix this. Alright, so now that I finally have my eyeliner on, it's a mess, I know. I do have to say that if y'all haven't bought these, don't buy them. They literally crack. Like, I don't know if you can see, but they literally crack. Like, that's not. Don't do it. Love you, Rihanna, but sis, you gotta come up with a better formula. But the colors are beautiful. Just need a better formula because nobody wants cracky ass eyeliner. So next thing I'm going to do is go in with the full frontal volume lift and curl mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. And we're gonna apply her to the lashes. Wow, that's good. This, you can buy this. This is good. Like, look, you can't even see these lashes. You can see these ones, but you can't see these ones. So now that I've done that, I'm going to move on to the lips. And the first thing that I'm going to do is apply this Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade I Quit. And it's this brown shade right here. I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And to finish the lips off, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. Beautiful brown shimmer shade. This by itself is so poppin', y'all. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to go in with is some highlight. I'm going to use the Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil in the shade How Many Carats. It's kind of ugly, but I think I'm going to apply with my finger actually. I just love this one because it's very glittery, but it's so subtle. And finish with the brush. Alright, so here is the finished look. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like what you saw, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know what you guys thought. If y'all about to cop you some Fenty so y'all can do a full face, or if y'all not about to cop this crazy liquid eyeliner, let me know. If you want to see more videos from your girl, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell to get notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. I hope you have a blessed day. I'm out.